Today we are going to review the site of Meraas. So let's take a look. So this is the Meraas. Meraas is one of the property developer in UAE. So one of the most famous property developer. They have very fantastic properties. Yeah. So let's take a look of the site and let's check actually. Okay, let me go down from top to bottom. They have their stories. It's actually some video. Video is showing inside this place. They have some nice video, there is no doubt. They have some nice video. Okay. Yes, and Dubai. This is a colorful site, no doubt. It's a good looking site in my eyes. Yeah. Okay, so only for the this is the footer, but normally footer no one actually make that kind of brighter. So they can actually use some little bit gray font, so it looks much better. Instead of the white. This looks a little bit very bright, yeah. But from the top to bottom, if we go from the top to bottom, the site looks fine. They have a very standard call to action button. Yes, very standard call to action button, and standing out the text. There is a background is there, so that anyway the text is actually always be prominent. If we go for the different one, yes, you see that, okay. Whatever the background is there, the text is always prominent. It's coming out, it's standing out here, and all the image quality really looks good. Image quality really looks good, no doubt. Only the video part actually. So my suggestion actually, instead of playing the video inside the website, it's always better to actually make it as a pop-up. So whenever I click it, it will actually pop up, and on that pop-up I can play the video. So that looks good, and that's actually easier for the user. Yes, that's fantastic. The site looks really nice. So okay, but what is this section is not mentioned. So Meraas gift card, okay, it should be, you see that, okay, every section has some title. Every section has some title, but if you come on this section, you can't see any title. Yep. Yes, we are just going from the gift card, homes and residence, enterprising mindset, but okay, they should have some title. So that's the title part is missing on here. The recent news, that's good one. So let me see actually how much recent news they have. Yes, they have lots of recent news. So they are regularly working out to put some new news and everything. Yes, they have a lots of. It really looks good. Yeah. Okay, so let me go to again the home page. Let me see, it has two different languages. If I click on the Arabic, yes, Arabic, the whole site is flipped and the Arabic version is coming up. Yes. If you go down, they have lots of sections. So all the different destinations, city walk and other places, dining, restaurant, cafe, leisure, hospitality, venture, about us, about Dubai, FAQ. They have a blog section, real estate, investor section is there. Let me click on the investor section. Okay. I can't see any meaning of this top image, honestly. So for the investor, it should be something meaningful image. Even this images, yeah, this images has no meaning. Just like some random image, they just place it there. Okay, but there is no call to action button. I can't see any call to action button so far. So if I'm an investor and if I want to invest on anything, so I need to put some inquiry or some call to action should be there. Yeah, so that is missing. Okay, so if you like to discuss the research, okay, so there is a link is there, but it should be a call to action button. There is some button should be there, so to make it so let me go to the destination section. Okay, so another thing, they have a lots of destination. If you can see, they have a lots of destination, hospitality, venture, but if you click on, if you just mouse over on here, there is no drop down menu. So it will be easier actually if they give us a drop down menu so that I can navigate. So real estate, dining, nothing is coming up. So I think we need to go inside, and then from there we have to go other pages. So let's see. I have already clicked on the destination. Yes, so from here we have to go this different section. So I think they can actually avoid this page. So they should have this page definitely. I'm not saying that I can remove this page, but they can give another section that it will be dropped down, and from that page they are actually going there. So if I click on Al Saif, yes, I'm on this section. But if you see, actually I just came from the destination section, so but destination is not highlighted. So on which spot I am, and it's not. So if I'm from destination, so normally what do we do actually, so whenever we are on the destination section, they underline or some way we are actually make it highlighted so that people can easily understand on which section they are. If I'm just suppose if I'm on here, I don't know actually on which section I am. I'm maybe in the hospitality, maybe in the destination. I have to check this thing. Yeah, so it's better to give some kind of highlight actually on which section here. Let me go to the healthcare. The site is done beautifully, there is no doubt. The site is really developed in a beautiful way. Let's check the actual list. So our goal is speed test. It takes some times, but it gives us the real result. So the speed, if the speed is good, that means actually it will be in a good rank actually. Yeah, yes, if you see, its ranking is really bad ranking in the, okay, is 0. Okay, really horrible actually the situation. It takes a long time to load it, and the estimated blocking resource, oh my god, it's a huge time is actually taking. Yeah, so it's ranking really bad for the Meraas. Need to be improved. There is it's not actually very hard to make it improve. There is some few things need to be changed, and the whole system whole ranking will be changed. Yeah, so this is the reason the site will not come in the rank actually. So anyway, whatever they are doing, it will not come in a very good rank. So they have to work on it. The developer need to work on this thing. Yeah, overall the site is really looks good. Few minor changes there it should be done so that it will looks more actually professional, but overall the site looks good, professional, creative, this site anyway. So just let me know actually what do you think about this site. If you like this site, or you have any other recommendation for this site, please comment us on this video. And if you want us to review any of your sites, so just comment us. So maybe in our next video we will review it, and you can see the new video actually there. And thanks for today, and have a nice day.